Festival, 12 years old, and sponsored by HARDCOREPROSCOOTERS and Kite Festival in the UK. And today, I'm just going to be giving you a little review on the HPS SCS Clamp. As you can see, it's a 4-bolt SCS, 4 bolts. If you strip the bolts, then you get a refund on the bolts, and you get 4 new bolts for free. It's a nice design. It's 661 alloy, nice and light. You can take it. It's got a shim, so it gives you a standard sized and oversized. It measures 4 inches in height, and it puts on 1.5 inches with your bars. So yeah. It's also got a gap in the middle to just even it out and make it like a nice and light, well, not light, but cool design, and it's different. So yeah, and comes in a different range. Comes in a range of colours. Here you've got blue. Same again. Bolts. Strip them, get a refund. Yeah, it's it fits any skewer, like except from threaded skewers. You know, threadless headset and threadless forks. Yeah, I think these retail for £35 to £40. So yeah, that's the hardcore SCS Clamps. Hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to HARDCOREPROSCOOTERS YouTube channel and like their Facebook